Guys, what is going on? Welcome to the channel, and I got some exciting news about something that I'll be giving away when I hit 20,000 subscribers. I didn't think I was gonna get this many subscribers so fast, and I figured it would be kind of cool to kind of give away something to my viewers. So what I wanted to give away is this shock that you guys saw me install. This one right here, this kit. If you saw the video, you know what I'm talking about. If you didn't, here's a quick little clip of that install. So basically it mounts on this side, and it pretty much assists the tailgate on the way down, and it doesn't drop down so fast, and it's more controlled. So I'm gonna announce 5 winners when I hit 20,000 subscribers, and here's what you need to do. In the description section I'll have links to these shocks for different trucks. So if you have one of these trucks, because I don't think they make them for all the trucks, so I was only able to find a few of them. But if you have one of these trucks, in the description, in the comments, put down your truck year and truck make, and then once I disable the comments and you can't comment anymore, that's when I'll do the drawing. The drawing is going to be on one of those websites where it automatically picks the comments, so there's not going to be any fishy business going on. And basically, if your comment is selected and you have that info with your comment, then you'll be selected. 5 of the winners will be selected for this shock, and then I will order the shocks on Amazon and ship them directly to you. So once I announce the 5 winners, I'll post a video up so you guys can see who won. And what you'll have to do is just contact me, email me, and then I will get those out to you. Guys, I really appreciate all these subscribers, all these views. It's a real blessing. It was really unexpected. It just seems like it happened over the week or whatever. And I'll continue on doing videos of my projects and so on, etc. And hope you guys like the content that I'll be posting in the future. So once again, guys, thanks for watching, subscribing, and start posting those comments, and we'll pick the winner probably, I want to say, in the week. Maybe I'll hit 20,000 in the week, so we'll see. I'll disable the comments when the contest is over, and then I'll select the winners. Alrighty, let's go.